Ever wondered if you can use Notion without a steady internet connection? Maybe you're planning a trip or your Wi-Fi is being temperamental. Let's dive into it. Notion's popularity. Notion has become a go-to productivity tool for many. Its versatility, from note-taking to project management, has made it a favorite among students, professionals, and creatives alike. Importance of offline access. But what happens when you're offline? Can you still access your notes, tasks, and databases? The short answer, yes, but with limitations. The short answer is yes, you can use Notion offline. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. Understanding offline mode. Sync mechanism. Notion uses a synchronization mechanism to keep your data in sync across devices. When you're online, your changes are automatically uploaded to the cloud. Offline synchronization. When you go offline, Notion will try to sync your changes as soon as you have an internet connection. Limitations of offline mode. Limited features. While you can access your notes, tasks, and databases offline, some features might be limited. For example, you might not be able to create new pages or databases. Real-time collaboration. Real-time collaboration with others might be restricted or delayed. If you're working on a shared project, you might not see the changes made by others immediately. File attachments. Downloading and uploading file attachments might be challenging or impossible without an internet connection. Tips for optimal offline experience. Regular synchronization. Ensure your Notion data is synced regularly when you're online. This will minimize data loss and keep your offline copy up to date. Selective synchronization. If you have a large Notion workspace, consider selectively syncing only the pages and databases you need offline to save storage space. Offline first approach. If you know you'll be offline for an extended period, plan your work accordingly. Create your content and organize your notes beforehand. Alternative solutions. Notion Web Clipper. The Notion Web Clipper allows you to save articles, web pages, and images directly to Notion. This can be helpful for collecting research material even when you're offline. Other offline note-taking apps. If you need a dedicated offline note-taking app, explore options like Evernote, OneNote, or Bear. While Notion offers offline functionality, it's important to understand the limitations. If you need to work offline frequently, consider using a dedicated offline note-taking app or planning your work accordingly. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Notion or productivity tools, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.